Heart is a vital organ that serves as the central component of the circulatory system. Its primary function is to pump blood throughout the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to cells while removing waste products. Here's a simplified overview of how the human heart works. Structure of the heart. The human heart is a muscular organ located in the chest, slightly to the left of the midline. It's roughly the size of a closed fist and consists of 4 chambers, 2 atria, upper chambers, and 2 ventricles, lower chambers. The heart is surrounded by a protective sac called the pericardium. Blood circulation. The heart operates as a dual pump, with one side responsible for pumping oxygen-rich blood to the body and the other side pumping oxygen-depleted blood to the lungs. This is known as systemic circulation to the body and pulmonary circulation to the lungs. Blood flow. Deoxygenated blood, rich in carbon dioxide, returns from the body through the superior and inferior vena cava into the right atrium. The right atrium contracts, pushing blood through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. The right ventricle contracts, sending blood through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary artery, which carries it to the lungs. In the lungs, the blood releases carbon dioxide and picks up oxygen, becoming oxygenated. Oxygenated blood returns to the heart via the pulmonary veins, entering the left atrium. The left atrium contracts, forcing blood through the bicuspid, mitral valve into the left ventricle. The left ventricle, being the most muscular chamber, contracts strongly to pump oxygenated blood through the aortic valve into the aorta. The aorta carries oxygenated blood to all parts of the body, where it branches into smaller arteries and eventually capillaries, delivering oxygen and nutrients to cells. Deoxygenated blood, now carrying waste products, returns to the heart through veins, starting the cycle again. Valves. Valves within the heart ensure one-way blood flow. The tricuspid and bicuspid, mitral, valves separate the atria from the ventricles, while the pulmonary and aortic valves separate the ventricles from the arteries. Heartbeat. The heartbeat is controlled by electrical impulses generated in the sinoatrial, SA node, often called the natural pacemaker. The SA node initiates an electrical signal that travels through the atria, causing them to contract. The signal then reaches the atrioventricular AV node, which delays the